What's going on, everyone? It's RGB here again. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a very common problem that almost everyone faces at some point: corrupted video files. Sometimes after recording a video, transferring files, or even after a sudden system crash, the video just refuses to play. And it can be really frustrating, especially if that video contains something important like project footage or personal memories. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to fix corrupted videos using a tool called 4D Dig Video Repair. This software is designed to repair damaged or unplayable video files quickly, and it also comes with some additional features like video enhancement, photo repair, and even colorizing old black and white photos. This tool can repair almost any kind of video, no matter how it was corrupted. So anyway, let's quickly jump into the main part. So click on Free Download. The setup process is the same as usual, like we do with other apps. Select your language, accept the terms, and install the software. Now launch the app. And there we go. We are on the main interface. It's very easy to use. Here you can repair video files in various formats. Supported formats include MP4, MOV, AVI, and many others. If you have any corrupted or error-filled videos, you can repair and recover them back to normal. Let me show you. So let's add a video. Here you can see I have a video that is corrupted. If we open this video, it gives an error. It looks glitched and kind of pixelated and corrupted. If I check its properties, you can see the video resolution, length, and that it is in MP4 format. It seems fine, but it still gives errors during playback. So I'll simply add this video. All right, the repairing process has started. And there we go. It's done. Now let's preview the video. Here we got 3 types of test results. The first result is completely blank. The second one is grayed out at the beginning, but the remaining timeline is fine. And the third one is okay. If you are okay with the result, select the video and save it to your PC. But if you still get an error, you can try the advanced repair option. These errors generally occur due to corruption in the data code of the video, and the code can be fixed by this tool to get a better video result. So here I'll create a separate folder to save the repaired videos. And here is the final result. The output is absolutely fine. We can now watch this video and it's much better than the corrupted one we've seen before. So now let's try with another video. This time, let's practically test it with this video. This is a clean and perfect video without errors, with good and detailed resolution. What I'll do now is simply edit this video in Notepad. I'll erase some parts of the code to make it corrupt. Videos, photos, or any sort of media are generally stored in digital code format. Now, if I try to play this video again, you can see it's corrupted. So I intentionally made this video corrupt. Still, if you check the video properties, you can see the resolution and frame rate. Now let's add this video and click Repair. All right, and there we go. Now let's preview it. Test 1 is already blank as usual. Test 2 looks pretty good, and Test 3 is absolutely fine. Now select the video and save it to the folder path. All right, let's check this video once again. It finally works. Amazing, right? It's very useful for those who want to fix their old corrupted videos or personal memory videos. In the same way, you can also repair your corrupted files using this tool, whether it's Office documents, compressed files, PDFs, or other types of files. You can also repair your photos using photo repair. Let me quickly show you. Here I have a corrupted image file. You can see the error here, so I'll add this image. And there we go. Here is the output. The photo got repaired. You can also check out other features like audio repair. We also have AI Enhancer, where you can enhance video quality from low resolution to higher resolution based on the scale. You can enhance videos using different AI models to get sharper details based on your preference. Just click Enhance and it will take a couple of minutes depending on the video length. In the same way, you can enhance your photos as well. We have AI Expand Image, Image Style Transfer, and Video Colorizer, which lets you turn black and white videos into color videos. The same feature is available for photos with Photo Colorizer as well. So these are the main features of this tool. So that's how you can repair corrupted videos using 4D Dig Video Repair. As you can see, the process is simple. If you often deal with corrupted or damaged files, this tool can definitely save a lot of time. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to try it yourself. If you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.